Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another episode of Noor Active. So today we're going to talk about how we can use Instagram hashtags to get more likes and get more followers on our Instagram, right? So it's not restricted to Instagram. You can also use hashtags on Twitter, on Facebook, but on Twitter you can use hashtags to collect information about or get feeds about a certain happening or a certain event in your country. It may be about the politics or the current situations in your country. Maybe it's about photography, or it's about the new tech coming in 2019. You will just put a hashtag in your description of your status, and everyone who is actually interested in knowing about or watching about photography or knowing about politics will actually follow the hashtag politics or hashtag photography, and he will be able to see all the posts people are posting about the current political situations or about the photography, right? So that's the chance for you as a creator to actually increase your reach to the audience out there on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. You will put a hashtag such as hashtag photography if you are a photographer, or if you are interested in photography and you want your post to be reached by many of the people who are actually using Instagram. What you can do is, while you're posting your photo, you will add some hashtags in the description section, where you will give description about your photography, your photo, and you will then add some description. You will add some hashtags that are related to the photo, right? So if you're taking a landscape photo, you will use all the landscape hashtags that are actually being followed by the audience out there on Instagram or Facebook. You can actually post your photo as this is a picture of me in my valley. I am taking the picture of this mountain and these are the trees, and that's a landscape photo. Then you will hashtag the post as hashtag landscape photography, landscape lovers, and all these hashtags you can find by googling the hashtag that what are the hashtags related to photography, and there are sites which are actually giving you the best and the best hashtags which are related to landscape photography, right? So in that way you can actually increase your reach to people, so that your post will be also reached by your the audience out there on Instagram. In that way you can actually increase your likes and get more comments, and overall you will increase your reach to the audience on Instagram, right? So, and you as a photographer will be reached by many of the people. And if you are a business, if you are actually into taking wedding photography, and you are actually managing, or you are actually a wedding photographer, or you are actually a wildlife photographer or food photographer, people will actually offer you their weddings, or you can actually sell your photos while freelancing, and people actually ask you for taking photos for them, right? So in that way you can actually increase your business and all cool stuffs like that. So history of hashtags is quite very long. It started about in 2007 when someone actually tweeted on Twitter. So after that hashtags were implemented in YouTube, in Facebook, and after that on Instagram, right? So that you can discuss about a certain happening, a certain event in certain part of the world using hashtags, right? So you can also use hashtags on your posts, plus your comments, plus in your stories, so that you will be reached by many of the people who are actually interested in these about the thing you're doing, right? So if you are a photographer and you want your photos to be read by the audience, you can put all the hashtags in your description about photography. The limit must be 30 for Instagram, and I don't actually know the limit for Facebook, right? So these were the way you can actually increase your likes and get yourself more become an Instagram influencer. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video and took something out of the video, and if you enjoyed the video and learned something new out of this video, please don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, it's a goodbye and peace.